happened.
I am foreigner here. I get car sick. I get motion sickness. I haven't been on a boat. I've been on a boat in Tom Street, but that was like very short. Yeah, right. So I was okay. It's been I hate IPA. I'm sorry. IPA is just. I am not. I like pale ale. I like draft beer and IPA. How about pale ale? Highball, yeah. Not actually. I'm proud to Was it cold?
Yeah.
Not in the door, it's big. IPA is so bitter. No, I didn't cry. Yeah, I didn't cry. She's crying. No, I know Tallulah bullied her. I'm not. Either, right? Such a bully. I was exhausted, man. Because I cooked for like a long time.
When did you start eating?
What? I streamed at home for 8 hours and I was exhausted. And I was like, I didn't do shit. I was sitting on my ass for 8 hours.
Also because the hours you're streaming was ridiculous. Girl, you start at like freaking 10. I'm on my way to bed and you're going live. I'm waking up and starting my day.
我半夜开台。He just picked it up and I'm like, I don't have.
You don't ditch me tomorrow. You wake up. Oh no, I'll go to bed. You wake up. I'll call you. I'll Facebook call you. Wake up, bitch. 1 p.m.
I'll fly.
1 p.m. Maximum.
I am the one.
Or I can come. I can deliver coffee. I could if you want. Just let me know. I'll do it. You know I will. Just say the words, girl. I'll be there.
And then it reads really fast.
I'll be there with 3 espresso shots.
So like when I had yeah, sim cabin, like a sim cabin. She's so tired. Let her sleep. Who? Me? Her? So like
Don't get your
don't just Tallulah.
I know baby's vampire lifestyle. But I did promise chat, so I've got to do it tomorrow no matter what. I really like baby to be there. And I know she would enjoy the day. So we just have to get her ass out of bed.
I drank it
That's
up.
the mission.
I don't want to get too drunk. And then like so I met at like 9.
And then I'm going to force her to bring me to hot pot.
Where are you going? And then I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, it's going to be.
Because I've never been. And that place you said was good. So
It's so early.
Really? No.
Yeah.
Okay. It's meant to be better tomorrow.
I guess no rain is already I can wear short sleeves because it's just no rain.
Yeah.
If it's raining,
Well, IRL streaming when it's raining.
下雨了，讲说。
It's really uncomfortable.
I mean, Thailand weather is always like humid,
I guess
really wet.
so.
No, almost always. But then like 12% here. Last time we drank 18, 16% here, and you do not want to know the end to that stream.